Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stops. In this video, I am going to talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, its analysis, and I'm going to give you one stock for sell and one stock for buy for tomorrow's trading session, that is July the 20th. If you are liking the content, I request you to share this channel with your friends and family members and do subscribe so that you would not miss on any updates that I am giving you. So as you can see, Nifty chart is open and this is on a 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Now if I draw a Fibo from this top to the bottom, what do we see? We see that Nifty has decisively broken the 61.8 levels. Okay. Hope that is very clear. This is your 61.8 levels which has been broken already. And it has gone up continuously. So we are in a uptrend right now. Let us go ahead and analyze it in 5 minutes now. What do you see in 5 minutes? See friends, in 5 minutes things are very simple. See, there is a gap followed by a continuous upward move. Now if you draw a Fibo from this bottom, okay, to this top, okay, now what do you see? We see that Nifty has almost touched this point. Okay, this is here. So will it continue to go up like this straight without stopping? The answer is no. So now it has already gone up since here it is continuously going up. Now there is a scope for it to come down. Where will it come down till? That is the next question. See, in this Fibo, I'm going to extend it till here. The first level of retracement is here at 250. That is 16,250. I hope you are able to see this. And the second level of retracement is here, 16,175. This is where there is also a gap. So when will we create a buy position? The buy position will be created once we cross this particular levels. Okay. Or if we reach to this or this level, depending upon the strength of the candles that we see. For example, if we see a doji or if we see a inverted hammer, something like this in this area on a 5-minute time frame, that is when we will decide to create a buy position. As of now, what do you see? See, let me draw and show it to you. Let's clear all this. See, this is your channel, okay, and this is your channel. Now what is this called? This movement is called a upward wedge. Okay, upward wedge or rising wedge, whatever you call. Usually it has got a breakdown downwards. Okay, so now if it is breaking this channel, what are we going to do? We are going to take our Fibo back and we'll expect a target of this levels. Okay, and at this levels we also are having a strong support along with a gap support. If you see, there is a gap in the past as well at the same level. So will it go ahead and break this gap? It is little difficult. So if this channel is broken, then we would take a trade downwards to achieve this target. Okay, and if it has crossed this particular area, that is when we would create a buy position. What would be our target? For target, we'll have to go to 15 minutes chart again. And you see there is a gap here as well. Hope you are able to see this gap, friends. Okay, let me zoom it a little so that it's clear. See, Nifty, this red line that you see is where it's standing right now. And after that, there is a gap. So there is a high possibility of it to come down, because as soon as it reaches the gap, it will act as a resistance. It will push it down till this gap. Okay, I hope it is clear when to buy, what would be the stop loss, what would be the target if you are buying, and what would be the target if you are selling, and what would be the stop loss if you are selling. I hope that is very clear here. coming to analysis for Bank Nifty now. So friends, in Bank Nifty, if you remember in the previous video, we were here, okay, at around 34,780. And this is where I told you that this target is easily achievable. And you see that momentum happening immediately. Within 2 days, we have reached this target and even exceeded that. Exactly at this target, there was some price action, okay, some confusion, and then it went up, further up, okay. Now it is still in the uptrend. What do we see here? What would be the next target? The next target will be, see, this would be the top. 36,200-ish is our next target, okay, which is 600 points from here. As I told you before, in the last video, the target was around 35,700, 800, and we have achieved that target within 2 days, friends. Now in 15 minutes, what do we see? We do see that we have already crossed this particular resistance and we are above that now. So this would be our target. But if you look at it in a 5-minute time frame, what do we see? This is important, friends. See, the similar story as I showed you in Bank Nifty is happening here as well. This is the channel, okay. See, this would be a channel. Now what has happened, this particular trend line, if you look at it closely, it has been tested multiple times. 1, 2, 3. Now there is a high chance for it to break this trend line at least once. Now if it is going up, will it continue to go up like this? Look at the speed, friends. Will it continue to go up like this? The answer is no. It has to take at least one retracement. So what would be the retracement levels? So we are drawing a Fibo here from the bottom to the top. And what do we see? Now see, exactly at 50% is what it took retracement once. Here it has taken support, here it has taken support, here it has taken support, here it has taken support twice, and then it has reached this area. Now for it to fall, as soon as this trend line is broken, we can quickly expect a target of this particular area. But will we go ahead and short right here? The answer is no. We'll wait for a upward movement here first. That is when we will probably do a short. When to buy? To buy, this is a simple trend line, friends. If I draw it on a 1-minute time frame, it will be very easy for you to understand. See, once this trend line is broken, we can create a short position, a long position, I'm sorry. And what would be our target? For the target, we have to go back to 15 minutes and our target will be the next level, that is this 36,000, almost 36,950 would be our target for a long immediately. And if this support line is broken, that's when we'll go on short, and that is when our target will be 36,300, 400, friends, 350-ish, okay. So that would be our target. Hope the analysis is clear. You would now know when to buy, when to sell on Bank Nifty as well. So let us continue to the stock for the day, for the buy stock and the sell stock. And let me tell you, if you're liking it, please subscribe to the channel and also share the channel with your friends and family members so that they would also enjoy profits. So the buy stock for today is M&M, friends. In M&M, what do you see? So in M&M, friends, see, if you draw a trend line like this on 5 minutes, you see this was a clear cut breakout, okay, here. Okay, this was a clear cut breakout, after which M&M consistently took a upward move, okay. And here there is another breakout. To show you that breakout, let me drag it backwards. See, this is your next breakout, friends, okay. This candle has given another breakout here, and if I go to a 30-minute time frame here, 15-minute time frame here, a long time frame, what do we see? Again, M&M is at almost its all-time high, so it is in its blue sky zone. So in my last video, in one of my video, I gave you Eicher motors, which is bullet. Okay, and hope you have seen that video, and now look at the levels for Eicher motors. But first understand this, friends. Now MNF has already given this particular breakout, and look at this pattern, friends. Now one, this line is anyways there, and this. Okay, this pattern is called a pole and a flag pattern. This is on a 30-minute time frame that I'm showing you. Now coming to 5 minutes time frame. See this pattern again. See, this is your flag. Here again you see the same pattern. This is your pole, and this is your flag. So with this pattern, as soon as this breakout is triggered, we can easily expect this much of target. How much is this? This is around 79 to 66. 66, 76, 77, 78, 79 is around 13-14 points, friends. So we can easily achieve 1190, 1192 here. Okay, 1190, 1192 is easily achievable. Once it goes till there, 1200 would be a round number that it will achieve, friends. Okay, this is the buy stock for today. Now coming to the sell stock. This is already given to you, HDFC Life, friends. I have given you the stock somewhere at this levels. No, somewhere at this levels. And it is continuously underperforming. I remember it was at 40, 45. Somewhere here is what I gave you on 12th or 13th. It has continuously given us downward movement. See, okay. In spite of Bank Nifty and Nifty moving up, HDFC Life has been underperforming. Now, what do you see here closely? See, this is your support line. This has been tested how many times? This has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally breakdown has happened. Now this is our easy target, friends. Quick and easy target is this. Now coming to the next target. For the next target, I have to pull it up for a very long time frame, and there is only one number here, which is 530. So this would be our next target, which is 6 rupees down from here, friends. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked it. Hope you made profit from the previous videos from that I made. And if you are liking the content and my analysis, do subscribe to the channel, and please share it with your friends and family members who are interested to make money from stock market. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and happy trading, traders.